and welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing. This is for the October 2021 Boxycharm Premium Box because clearly I'm just so on top of my game. I probably deserve some kind of award for being like the world's most procrastinated YouTuber. Procrastinated? Procrastinating? I'm sure there's an actual word in there somewhere. Anyway, so we've got our little card and everything on it. So in no particular order, we're going to reach in. Let's get this big box first. This one is 111 Skin Antioxidant Energizing Essence. This retails for $100. My goodness. Hopefully it's good for that kind of a price. The Antioxidant Energizing Essence is a lightweight product delivering fast-acting antioxidant properties while enriching the skin with NACY2 and a blend of soothing botanical extracts used directly after cleansing as a skincare primer and follow with your regular 111 skin routine. The essence will provide immediate hydration, soothing, and revitalization for refreshed and reinvigorated skin. So is it like in place of a serum or like, let's see. I can't really tell from that. I'm gonna have to read up on it. I'm like, okay. What is the difference between an essence and a serum? Let me know in the comments, because as of right now, I really, truly don't know. But I have a bunch of each. I know how to use serums, so if it's just like the same thing as a serum and you just use one or the other, let me know. Or if it's something that they're supposed to be used together, which comes first? Again, I don't know, so let me know. Next in here, what is this? By a brand called Voir Hair Care. It's Secrets in the Snow Soft Styling Foam. So it's gotta be like mousse, right? This retails for $22. Velvety softness is just a cool whip away, a blanket of downy soft snow for your hair shafts. Voir Hair Care's Secrets in the Snow Soft Styling Foam is the daily key to crunch-free, hydrating goodness that hushes flyaways and puts your curls on repeat. So, mousse. Like, just say it, it's mousse. Next up, by a brand called Dew of the Gods. This is Collagen under eye pads, and this is again $20 for 10 pairs. So that's like one for each pad. That's crazy, or like $1 for each pad. Why inject when you can object to dull, tired under eyes with the powerful bounce of hydrogel, collagen, vitamin C, and witch hazel to plump, lift, and revitalize your look? It's like an iced coffee for the soul, 30 minutes of bliss. Each fillipad is blessed by a Zen Buddhist monk to inspire the power of gratitude. What are you thankful for? Wait, really? Like, really? Is this on here too? Dude. Crazy. I don't know why I like that so much. I mean, is it extra as heck? Yes, but I mean, that is so cool. I'm not gonna lie, that is actually really cool. Oh, one of these days I've gotta like whip out the iPads because I think I've still yet to try any of them that I have in my collection, and I don't want them to go bad, so I'm gonna have to find a starting place and just slap those bad boys on. Anyway. So then, what's this? By Rowan Beauty, this is the Vow Brow Pencil in medium, and this is $26 for this brow pencil. Vow Brow is the perfect brow pencil to easily define, fill, and shape any brow. Vow Brow's fine 1.7mm tip and firm formula is ideal for both precise and natural-looking brows. Use the built-in spoolie brush to blend and comb. Vow Brow comes in 3 shades and has been tested on different brow shapes and skin tones. Rowan Beauty is made with clean ingredients that don't compromise on performance. Let's see it. Oh, that is skinny. Oh. It's so cute. It's so cute. Like, that is a skinny mini, like, by comparison with, like, what they usually are. Like, just thickness-wise, so you can see how much skinnier this is. Yeah, that's what I'm like, whoa, that's a trip and a half. Like, which end's the spoolie, which end's the thing? Oh, wow. Wow. Goodness, that is itty bitty. Wow, that may be the skinniest one I've got, actually. Holy crap. So that must be the spoolie. That confuses me, because down here is where the color stripe is, so I assume down here would be the pencil, but no, it's over here. That is so trippy. I can't wait to try that. That looks so cool. Oh my goodness. Okay. So then, ooh, by Tarte. We have got the Tarte Man-Eater Plumping Gloss in the color Buff, which looks like it should be pretty good. So this is $19. Apply Tarte's Man-Eater Plumping Gloss for visibly plumper looking lips. The nourishing formula smooths the lips and wraps them in lasting hydration, color, and shine, while the Volu Plump Complex works to visibly plump the lips with just one swipe. Volu Plump. They literally invented a word. Okay. I'm not even gonna fight them. That's actually kind of cute, but like, yeah. Then the last thing in here is by Benefit, and this is, oh, it's the first one on here, the Georgia Golden Peach Blush. It's $30, and this is a new shade. A peachy dream come true. Benefit's cult favorite Georgia Golden Peach Blush is trying to say, it's like a tongue twister. Benefit's cult favorite Georgia Golden Peach Blush is back and sweeter than ever. Georgia is a warm, vibrant peach shade with a soft golden shimmer for a hint of glow. The silky smooth, superfine powder blends effortlessly to give cheeks a fresh picked flush and a peachy keen sheen. Let's see it. Oh, it's magnetic. Ooh, I love them when they're magnetic. Okay, we've got, is it scented like peach? Oh, and it comes with like the cutest little blush brush. Oh my god. Oh, this is adorbs. It is scented like peach. Oh my goodness. I'm in love. Okay, so I'm trying to block the mirror, but like, that's really pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm so stoked for this. Holy crap. Okay. Like, I don't think I ever would have thought I would be excited at a blush being scented, but the fact that it's peach does it for me. I know you guys know darn well that, oh, well, of course, if it's peach, it does for you. Anyways, that is it for this box. So, as always, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.